In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a voting poll in Google Forms. If crafting an easy and efficient voting system sounds like something you need, then you're in the right place. Throughout this tutorial, we'll walk you through each step to ensure you can build your own poll confidently and quickly. So, let's dive right in. To start, head on over to Google Drive. If you're not logged in already, you'll need your Google account credentials. Once you're in your Drive, look for the New button located on the left side of the screen. Click on it and a menu will appear. This button is your gateway to creating a variety of documents, but today we're focusing on Google Forms. In the menu that pops up, hover over More, then select Google Forms. This will open up a new tab dedicated to your form. Now you'll want to start from scratch, so click on Blank Form. This gives you a clean slate where you can design and customize your poll to suit your needs. The first thing you'll see is a space to give your form a title. It's quite literally the heading of your poll, so think of something catchy or direct, something that will entice people to participate. With your title set up, it's time to move on to the next step, adding your question. Remember, clarity is key here. Pose a question that prompts the kind of response you're looking for. You can keep it simple, such as what's your favorite pizza topping, or more complex depending on your needs. Right below your question, you'll see response options. Click on the drop down menu and select multiple choice. This option is ideal for voting, allowing participants to choose a single answer from a list. Now it's time to populate your list with options. Here you'll add the choices you expect your respondents will be voting on, like pepperoni, mushroom, cheese, and so on. Feel free to get creative or keep it straight to the point, whatever suits your poll's goal. Once your options are in place, click on the eye icon at the top right. This is the preview button and it lets you see what your form looks like from the participant's perspective. It's a good chance to make sure everything is laid out clearly and functions as expected. After reviewing your poll, it's time to bring it to life by clicking on Publish. The form is now ready to be shared. To spread the word, click Copy Respondent Link. This gives you a direct URL to your top tier poll. Simply hit copy and your link is set for distribution. Finally, send out your link. You can share it via email, social media, or however you choose. Now sit back and watch the votes roll in. Creating a Google Forms poll is that simple, and hopefully with this guide you're feeling equipped to take on the task. Happy polling?